Arm's Chief Executive Officer, Rene Haas.
The company's DNA was really born to run off batteries. The company started in the early 1990s. It was a spin-out of a British computer company named Acorn, and that company had a mandate to build a chip. It had to be really low power because battery life meant everything, because this was going into the world's first PDA. People kind of thought CPUs were dead. And what has changed in the last number of months has been this explosion of agents. As we move to agentic query, the number of tokens per human go up by 15x, if not greater. The data center is choking. These accelerators, which are very expensive, that generate the tokens, now need to send those tokens back through the cloud. So what you see is a huge bottleneck now. So what does that mean? You need more and more CPUs. The Arm AGI CPU. We are now in a new business for Arm, and we are supplying CPUs as chips. The biggest reason we're doing this is that our partners have asked for it. As agentic AI becomes mainstream, all of the work required to make that happen is CPU bound, and you need a CPU that has the DNA of being born to run off a battery. And one of the partners we work the closest with on this is Meta.
At Meta, we have this vision of delivering personal superintelligence for every single one of our users. Most people can't fathom what a gigawatt is. A gigawatt is about 10 Palo Altos. The town of Palo Alto, 10 times what it consumes is 1 gigawatt. This will be 5. That's 50 Palo Altos. Right? That's what we are building out.
When you look at a rollout that an agent is doing, it's using tools inside containers, that's CPUs. It's running Python scripts as it performs skills. Those are CPUs. So the CPU plays an incredibly important role, and it's really the whole system together that makes this all possible.
We are now delivering IP, CSS, and chips.
Rene, congratulations on launching Arm's first data center chip.
Congratulations to Arm on the launch of the AGI CPU.
Congratulations on the launch of the Arm AGI CPU.
We see the AWS Arm partnership continuing to deliver big for customers.
We've designed our AGI CPU around 3 simple principles. First, performance. You can't slow down. 24 hours a day, as Rene said, these agents are going to be running. And if they're not performing fast enough, then the rest of that infrastructure that's relying on it grinds to a halt. Second, we focused on scale. Scale at the CPU level, scale at the board level, scale at the rack level, and finally, we focused on efficiency. We're not going to get there unless we provide that performance, we provide that scale, and we do it in an efficient package. Arm AGI CPU is available now, and we're so proud of that. It's actually in customers' hands. Customers are actually evaluating it as we speak.
So the barrier to entry today, like porting to Arm, is, I would say, close to 0. Because like the LLM is just going to do it for you. I don't even write any handwritten code anymore myself. It's just all LLM.
I just want to say thanks again to all of our customers and partners that are supporting us here today. We built Arm AGI CPU for you.
When you look at an x86 equivalent structure, same power delivery, 36 kilowatts, 2 times the performance in the same power. These are multi-generational engagements. We are absolutely committed to a roadmap and a future around this product line. From edge to cloud, from milliwatts to gigawatts, we think we have an opportunity to address greater than a $1 trillion TAM by the end of the decade. None of this is possible without the ecosystem that we have nurtured for 35 plus years, and we appreciate your support. Thank you.